dude at the table just laughed because I was filming this. I should have told him it's only gonna be 3-4 minutes, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we are at Magnolias. Magnolias at the Mill, which is located Purcellville, Virginia. Purcellville's a super small town. I'm a fan, but there's also like not a lot to do in this area particularly. However, Magnolias is kind of a staple. It's also located right at the end of the W&OD trail. So if you ever taken the hike from DC, wherever you're at, you know, Reston, all the way to the end, this is where it ends. And it's literally right beside the W&OD trail. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance. I'll jump into the ambiance first. Again, Magnolias is kind of a staple for Purcellville itself. Obviously super nice as well. I'm kind of in like this little, I don't know, sunroom area, but the inside of Magnolias is kind of a vibe. It's a little bit darker, not the best for filming, but super kind of like, you know, wood everywhere. Little bit of chicness to it, nice size bar. So I'm gonna go full 1 on overall ambiance, and then we'll jump into this appearance. Here we go. We got good sized glass, orange peel, 2 Luxardo cherries, that's a plus. Unique glass, I like it. Again, I'm a big fan of the big glass, so it's good. Single cube, that's a plus. No clear ice. Again, we're in Purcellville. The farther out west you get, the more likely that you're not gonna find any clarified ice. Typically Tyson's, Fairfax, Arlington, Alexandria, those are kind of the areas that are kind of up to par on the clarified ice. Not so much Southern Virginia or, you know, Western Loudoun, but still looks decent. I'm gonna go 2.6 only because, you know, pours a little bit light, but whatever. Here we go. First sip. Smooth and tasty. They're using Elijah Craig Bourbon. Price point of $14. They also have a barrel-aged maple syrup that they're mixing in there with it. You can definitely taste that. I like a good balance of sweetness and the bourbon, kind of in between. This is a little bit on the sweeter side, I would imagine, because of the maple syrup. Also has a very distinct taste to it. Not in a negative way. I feel like if you come here and you try one of these, it's almost unlike any OF that I've probably ever had. And again, that could be the maple syrup, could be a number of things, but solid, decent first sip. So I think I'm gonna go 2.2, and then here we go overall. Consistency is solid. A dude at the table just laughed because I was filming this. I should have told him it's only gonna be 3-4 minutes, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Here we go, overall. Still very consistent, definitely on the sweeter side. I think I'd rather have it, again, I like a happy medium, but if I were to choose, do you want it like super strong, like I want to taste like straight bourbon, or do you want it to be a little bit too sweet? If I had to choose between those, I'd probably pick a little bit on the sweeter side. Gotta get these Luxardos though. It's a crime not to finish those. Again, Elijah Craig, price point of $14. Decent sized pour. Wish there was a little bit more in there, but overall, solid. I think I'm gonna stick to the same 2.2. So I said 2.2, 2.2 is 4.4, full 1 is 5.4, plus 2, 6, 8 flat, I believe. 8 flat. Magnolias on the grill, Purcellville, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.